Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun training section. It is a Wing Chun shadow boxing routine with application turned into a two-man set. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
This week, to the end of movements 1 to 4. So I know we worked on it and we worked on it. We'll work backwards again to feel comfortable on both sides. So starting with number 4. Demonstrate number 4. Huh? Biu-style, right? So remember, T-step, Biu-style, step forward and hit. Exchange step. Biu-style, step forward, hit. Half step, chain punch, and then puck-style punch, lop-style punch, right? Everybody good. So with me, nice and simple. Ready. Start on the right side. T-step, Biu-style, punch. Exchange step, Biu-style, and punch. 1, 2, and 3. Lao-style, puck-style punch, lop-style punch. So remember, it's just a framework, right? The key is that you guys have that down. Just make sure we're doing both sides of the equation. So I'm going to face Keith. He's going to play that aspect of it. I'm going to throw the hook. He's going to T-step and shoot it again using my chi side from here, right? Everybody good. I'm going to create space, come in. He's going to do it again. All right? He's going to shoot 3 punches. Now, I don't care if you use pop styles, so let's do it again. I don't care. Remember, we do the tons, right? If you can do, go ahead, jut, ton, pop, I don't care. Counter. And then depending how you wind up, you have to take the pop. I can punch off the rear hand, and he can take the puck-style punch, lop-style punch, back to the 3 punches again, right? He can come in 1, 2, and 3. Or if I throw it off to this hand, he can wind up, depending on where this goes, on the outside or the inside. Don't move. If I punch over this side, right, because I'm looking to move to his outside, he's going to lop-style on the inside, right? If I throw this shot on the inside, then he's good to stay on the outside. So remember, it's just a framework. Play with it. Everybody okay with that? So back and forth. So one more time here. T-step, Biu-style punch. As you're doing it, visualize the application. He's going to counter it. Steps and throws another shot. There's the opening. Exchange step, Biu-style punch. He counters it. Go after him. 1, 2, and 3. Your partner's doing any counter he wants. Now, he and or she throws a shot at you, right? Straight punch. So let's say it's this side. I'm going to move outside. Puck-style punch, lop-style punch. Is everybody okay with that? All right, man. So we're going to do it. We'll do 1-minute rounds. Just play with that for a little. Instead of the puck-style punch, we do the Biu-style punch. So let's take it one more time. Just have fun with it, all right? So from here, come in and hit. Exchange step, Biu, come in and hit. Turn into it. 1, 2, 3. There's that shot. We also did a step off with a Biu-style and a front kick. All right? So one more time. T-step, strike. Exchange step, strike. 1, 2, 3. Step off the line. Biu and kick. All right? So the same thing. He's just going to take the other application. Here, right? T-step, he throws a shot. I cover. Good? Come in, throw the shot. I cover. He throws 3. Again, I told you, how do you counter it? I don't really care. Depending on what hand he punches will depend on which hand I'm going to Biu-style. So if he throws that, right from there. Oh, I'm sorry. When I'm throwing this shot, I'm so used to playing your hand. I'm going to throw the shot. He's going to step off the line, Biu-style, and front kick. Everybody okay with that? You show him so. I'm so used to playing your end that I get funny. All right? So he comes to me. Come in and strike. Exchange step. I strike, and I'm coming to him. 1, 2, and 3. He throws his shot. I can wind up on the inside, right? Or he throws a shot. I can move the opposite way and go outside. Remember, it's a framework. You guys, okay? Okay. Right, we good? All right. Moving backwards. That was number 4. The piece prior to it, we started in a front stance. We created some space, or he created some space, so I shuffled in Biu-style, front kick. He steps out and whips a round kick at my body. I'm just going to wall, drop down, and chain punch. So again, from here, Biu-style, front kick, wall, chain punch. Everybody good? So if you worked in complete opposite now, right? If we started with this, here's the deal. I create space, I go to him, I cover, I chase him back. Where's the opening? If you use the mirror on this side, and then you would build into it. Biu and punch, exchange step, Biu and punch, chain punch, step off the line, Biu-style, and front kick. So again, putting them both together, shuffle, Biu-style front kick, wall, chain punch, T-step, Biu, strike, exchange step, Biu, strike, turn into him, right? Punch comes in, step off the line, Biu, and front kick. Okay? But now this application, we're going to line up parallel. I'm going to close the distance using my Biu and my front kick. So I'm shuffling up, and he covers. He's going to come in and whip around kick. I'm going to wall, and right now I'm just going to step in, and he's going to counter any which way he wants, right? So we're just using that framework. So everything at a symmetry, your poks, your tons, your juts, your Bius, start seeing both sides. So you're learning how to attack. And again, this is not gospel. There's a lot of other things you can do. And then later you're going to interrupt with other motions, all right? So one more time, I'm setting up, I'm creating some space. Boom, he comes in, pop, and I'm just going to go at him. 1, 2, and 3. Is there other things you can do? Sure. But we're just playing with this. Everybody okay with that? All right, give it a go, give it a go. Just that section. All right. So, number 2, half back step, bone, ton and punch. Exchange step, bone, ton and punch. Turn into a chain punch. 1, 2, 3. Pucks out punch, lops out punch. So again, back step, bone, ton and punch. Exchange step, bone, ton and punch. 1, 2, 3. Pucks out punch, lops out punch. Is everybody okay? Once on the other side. Back step, bone, ton and punch. Exchange step, bone, ton and punch. Turn it to 1, 2, and 3. Pucks out punch, lops out punch. Pause. Is everybody okay? So this is where we were. Okay, everybody's okay with that. So you hit him, he went away. So guess what? Chase him. Biu-style front kick. Counter, wall step in, 1, 2, 3. Throws a punch. T-step, strike. T-step, Biu, strike. 1, 2, 3. Move off the line, Biu-style, and front kick. That's how you should practice it, all right? You're all good with that. All right, but let's go. Let's do a two-person application. You're going to play both sides. He comes in. Wing Chun. I took a back step. I strike. He counters, and being a good Wing Chun man, he dan sows. Wing Chun, tan and strike. And again, here's his chance to train your chi sao. 1, 2, 3. He fires from here if he wants. I move outside. If he fires from there, I move outside here. Either one's good. You okay? You need to see it again or no? Yes. Back step, hit him. He bounces off. Back step, hit him, turn into it. 1, 2, and 3. If this hand comes, I mean, you got your woo-sao. It's no big deal or what? Pucks out punch, lops out punch. His hand's here. He decides to throw off the other hand. Step off the side. Pucks out punch, lops out punch. You all okay with that? Yes, sir. All right, man. Play with that. Don't forget, it's written on the board. So I'm shooting this now, broken out this way. So this will be ensemble, not today because I don't have time today, but I will have it up tomorrow. So it's broken out in sections. And all I'm going to do is I will take, you can look at the class, but then I'm going to have Wing Chun sparring, Wing Chun shadow boxing, and then it'll be, all you'll have is just the technique. So you guys don't have to scrub through the whole class. All right? All right. So again, moving from back to front, section 1 from here was an entry technique, drop, 3 punches. Everybody good? Half step, 3 punches. Now, right out of the old textbook, we're going to clear. Hit to the body, the head, and back to the body. Punch comes in, release step, lop and punch. So one more time. Entry technique, 1, 2, 3. Half step, 1, 2, 3. Body, head, body, lop and punch. Okay, so if I, again, so the aspect of this is to give you some Wing Chun shadow boxing. But again, out of your framework, look at movements from your Silam form that you could start to incorporate so it becomes a back and forth thing. Again, don't go fast, go slow. Work with each other, try to learn. So if we start this cross arm with my entry technique, the only difference is for me, I have to clear. Cross arm chi sao. So I'm going to pock and clear and then file up with 2 more. 1, 2. He starts moving back, I chase him back. 1, 2, and 3. Everybody good? So again, my peel, if I peel off the lead hand, now again, it's just putting this succession. I'd step off, I'd hit to the body, the head, and back to the body. If he throws that shot at me and he's on my outside, then I'll lop from here. If he comes across my guard, I can lop from here. Either one is fine. You okay? You sure?
So when you come in, you hit him 2, and then you hit.
Well, okay, well, I did 3 in the air. Stay there for points, 1, 2, 3. But if I bridge to him and he jams me, well, I have to move this. There's my 1. Here's my, go ahead, you can block it that way too, and my 3. All right, so my peel here would be a little different. I'd step off on this side, body, head, move back to the body. Everybody good? If he throws from here, my lop is going to be inside. All right, if I entered parallel on him, if I come from here and I enter parallel on him, I've got to open him here. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Half step, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, he throws the shot. Excuse me, he come in, I can peel inside again, or maybe I want to step across and take this hand, right? Otherwise, I'm going to go body, head, back to the body. The shot comes in, lops out. You okay with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, man, just play with it a little bit. Go, 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 go. Right side neutral. Enter. 1, 2, 3. Half step. 1, 2, 3. Good. Body, head, body, lop and punch. Look in the mirror. Where's your opening? The right side of your face, right? So what do we got? Bong sao. Ton and punch. Exchange step. Bong sao. Ton and punch turn into a 1, 2, 3. Come around. Pox out punch. Lops out punch. You hit him, you don't like it. Shuffle forward. Biu-style front kick. He throws a round kick. Wall. Chase him. 1, 2, and 3. Is everybody good? Step in. Biu-style. Hit. Exchange step. Biu-style. Hit. What's next? What? Just checking. 1, 2, and 3. And then step off. Biu-style and front kick. Everybody okay? That's the combination. So learn the combination. And as Bruce Lee said, forget the combination, but learn. It's just a framework. All right. So what I want to do is I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes. Just do that in the air.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.